Welcome to this webinar presented by CustomizedTrading.com. Now, if you like the information that we're sharing here and want some more, we have lots of free videos and training material on our website at no cost. It's just in the link in the description down below. Now, everybody knows that it's important to have an edge. And in Forex, this is an edge that's really pretty powerful that we're going to share with you today. In trading support and resistance, to know volume, and yes, we do volume on Forex, and not only do we show volume chart, but we actually show what's called time segmented volume, which is the most powerful volume indicator, very powerful. So you might want to look that up and read some more about it. But say we're trading this support and resistance and it's broke through support and we make a trade to the downside, and see the volume comes up, that's a good sign. You have a big bar and you have big volume. They match. That's what we're looking for. Now you have a little bar and you have big volume. They don't match. That's a warning. Okay? The move is probably over. The next bar, we have buying volume. Now if we break through the top, we're going the opposite way. Sure enough, we have more buying volume. We're in the trade to the long side. The indicator basically told us. Now, we had big bar, and this is a big bar here. What's the next one doing? Okay, we had a red bar, green bar, some more buying volume. So, see, it broke through. This was telling us, heads up, but it continued to the upside. Okay, now again, we just barely break through the resistance, and we have a red bar. So that trade's probably over with. If it breaks through the low of that red bar, we're out of that trade. And we're out of that trade. Let's get another one here coming down. Okay, we break through the support again to the downside. Now let's watch what the volume's doing. Okay, we have some good selling volume. So when you have good volume on a break of a support point or resistance point, that means it's going to have follow through. If there is no volume, that means it's not going to break. Like this came down, but it really didn't have much volume and it didn't break through. This one broke through and basically turned around and did a red-green, and it started working its way down. Kind of a slow approach here. But we had some more volume here, a little bit of green again. Okay, and this isn't going to break down. Now we started getting some more selling volume. Now it's going to break down, and there we go. A nice breakdown. Now this is a really big bar. This is a really big bar. That's fine. Next bar is a green bar. So if we don't have some follow through to the downside, then we have to watch it. Okay, and sure enough, back out of that trade because we had a doji, which is indecision, and that indecision had a lot of selling volume, but it was basically just indecision. So moved through the high of that bar, we're out of that trade. Okay, let's look at another one here. Had some good move up to the upside. See that volume bar? And then there was no volume on this one. This one didn't have any volume to follow through, and we got close to the resistance. No surprise that it stopped. Some nice good volume to the downside. Let's see if it's going to break this support. See? Volume dried up. It's not going to break that support. Can you see that? Volume dried up, so we knew it wasn't going to break through the support. Okay, so that's how you can use a very powerful thing, time segmented volume on the Forex to give you an edge in trading your Forex. For more information, use the link in the description and go to the website. We talk and give you a lot of details about time segmented volume, price action on multiple time frames of support and resistance called the fractal channel. So that's all available for you. Thank you for joining us.